freeze us.
Uh-oh. I thought you were...
Destroyed? History?
Well, yeah.
Sorry to disappoint, girls, but I'm back in black. And needless to say, I'm in a mood.
Sure, like that would change.
Now could keep your mouth shut, could you?
Who are they?
New friends I made down in the depths of the abyss. They don't say much, but they fight like the Dickens.
Thank goodness you're here. Look, local.
We know. Isn't it great?
Hmm.
Gladly. Ready? Time to bottle up my troubles once and for all. Power down. Going someplace, girls?
No one else. We're family.
Only by marriage.
Yeah, but we can help. Yeah.
Like you did last time?
Yeah. No, seriously. We're ninjas now and we can take it back. Ow.
Well, you might have a point there. All right, you're in, but only on a trial basis. One screw up and you're gone.
Uh-huh.
Well, now that's taken care of. On to bigger things.
All right. What about the others? Can we be looking for us?
Exactly. And when he finds you, it won't be very pretty, will it?
No, it won't.
Slate, you should go home and get some rest.
There it is again. The energy is radiating from this point here.
Ruby Harbor. That's where the Ranger Ninja School is.
I've had some correspondence with Count Watanabe, but they discontinued the ranger program after Lothar was destroyed.
Hope you still have that number.
This is not good. It's happened. We need to meet. Hunter, see you. Thanks for coming. Sorry to call you away from your students.
I thought it must be important. I was hoping we'd never have to use these things. So you think it's full for?
It has to be. Gloves leaves purple slime in his wake.
You reach the others?
Not responding.
So, what'd you think?
It was awesome.
I'll stand and warn you.
Thanks for hooking us up, man.
No problem, guys. Listen, what are you guys doing now? You want to grab a bite? Take that back. Looks like we have to reschedule.
Is everything okay?
I hope so.
Listen, it was really nice meeting you. I'll see you guys later.
That was kind of weird.
Not so weird. Let's go.